Hey guys, it's Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property that we're purchasing. We're on the west bank of Orleans Parish in our old Algiers here. Now this house is definitely one of those as is condition. We purchase in any condition, and this is a real bad one. Look, guys, we do buy nicer houses too, so you don't always have to sell us the bad ones, but we are happy to do this sort of work. Look, this one's actually been in the family for a while. It's been vacant for a long time. There's actually a lot of heirs, people who had been the rightful heirs, and those people have passed away, and then it goes on to their children. So there's quite a number of people that was entitled to the property, and no one was really looking after it, obviously, and they just wanted to sell and be done with it because they were getting code violations and etc. Look, I'll show you around. No, actually, I won't show you around because I'm literally about to fall through the floor here. So I haven't walked through all this house. You can see, there's holes in the roof. You can see how rotted away that wood is from termites and moisture. The floor has a big hole in it there. These are all, I literally almost put my foot through here, so I'm not going to walk in. It's actually too dangerous to walk in. So, to be honest, this house is actually a tear down. It's too far. There's just too many things wrong. Roof, floor, the framing's all eaten out. There's not much to save here, so to be honest, it really is just better to be a tear down, unfortunately, but that's okay. We deal with these sorts of properties, and it's an eyesore for the neighborhood. It's just getting code violations, and it's not helping anyone. So look, for us, we love to sort of help take these properties off people's hands, and then we can make something productive. We can tear this house down, and we can build a new house, and get a nice new house for the neighbors to enjoy, and bring up the neighborhood, and help the people who own the property walk away with a little bit of money from their inheritance. So look, guys, if you have a property looking to sell, reach out to us, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Give us a call. We're always happy to help and chat through your situation. Thanks, guys.